There are several ways to load cards in ATRIUM, such as using the master and programming cards to instantly create cards with access, or by using the batch loading feature when you have bags of cards or key tags to add. But if you just want to add a card into the system and assign it to a user, here's how to do that. First, click on Dashboard, then Users, and click on Add to create a user. In the User Properties menu, give the user a name. Next, click on Add in the Credentials tab. In the Card Properties menu, give the card a name. If you want the card to have an activation and expiry date, you can specify it here. Now select the card format from the drop-down menu. The default is set to 26-bit, which is the most commonly used format. For the number, first put in the family or site code of that card. If you aren't sure, simply swipe the card at any reader. When you check your events afterward, you'll see that access is denied because the card is unknown, but it'll also tell you all that card's information. Now that we know the card's number, we can fill in the fields, 51 for the family code and 64555 for the card's number. Click Save, and the card will now be added and assigned to this user. The last thing to do is to give the user an access level by clicking on the Access Levels tab. From here, we can assign an existing access level or add a new one. We'll assign an access level to our user by clicking on Assign, selecting the access level, and clicking OK. Click Save, and the user with their assigned credential and access level will be created.